Hey, so in this video here, I want to show you exactly how we're helping personal injury law firms sign motor vehicle accident cases for less than $1,500 a piece. Okay, so the way that I want to do that is show you one of our clients here. Okay, this is Wilk Law. They are based in Pennsylvania. And what I want to show you first is an email exchange between myself and the owner of the law firm, Tyler Wilk. Okay, so when I checked in on him to ask him how the campaign is performing, he confirmed to me, let me zoom in here, that his cost per case is around $1,000 a piece. Okay, now you might be thinking, okay, yeah, this is probably just a one-off success, but no, we've actually been working with him since 2020. Okay, so 2020 here, as you can see, we have payments coming from him. Okay, so this is just to actually show you full proof and not just make claims like every other marketing agency does. So what I'm going to show you here on this video is the exact ads that we use, the exact qualifications that we use, and also our purely 100% performance-based fee that removes the risk completely from you and actually make sure that when you're partnering with us that you feel like you're getting in with an actual partner and not just someone that's trying to bleed you dry. So let's go ahead and jump in. So I want to go ahead and start by comparing what we do to what others that are running ads are doing. Because I guess the most important thing is when you yourself are trying to decide who you want to work with, what strategy you want to go with, is that you want to understand how it's different and how it's actually going to benefit you. Okay. So what I've done here, this is what we call the meta ads library. This is where Facebook basically displays all the ads that are running on their platform. And you can see all the ads actually in any space, including the personal injury space. Okay, so I've gone ahead and typed in here motor vehicle accidents so that we can actually see what type of ads are running at the moment. And as you can see here, so if we literally just click here on the first one, these ads, right, they are extremely generic. Okay, so I mean, this is basically targeting anyone and everyone that's been in an accident. And what this is going to do, right, because if we look at all the other ads, it's exactly the same as well. If you've been in an accident, we help you get the biggest verdicts. Okay, there's others here that talk about if you've been in an accident and you want to claim some compensation. So just anyone and everyone that's been in an accident, come and fill out our form. Okay, so the issue here is that this is going to flood your intake team with a lot of trash leads, because that's how you're going to get all the people that have only been in the fender benders, the people that haven't actually received any kind of medical attention, which, as you know, the thing that the insurance company loves the most is a case with medical gaps in medical treatment or no medical treatment at all. Okay, this is a total waste of your time. And so this is what we do differently with our ads. Okay, so this is one of our ads that I'm going to show you now. Okay, now as you can see, the ad specifically calls out if you went to the ER, urgent care, or a doctor in Pennsylvania after an accident. Okay, so this is to specifically call out those people that have actually received that medical care, because for us that's the most important thing, right? And then even in the images that we use as well, as you can see here, we're very focused on broken bones and things like this, because of course the serious injury accidents are the most valuable ones. Okay, so we're not going to hide that. This is what we're trying to get. And once they see this ad here and they click on it, what we do is that we take them to our form. Okay, so I'm going to actually show you the form itself here in the back end. So let me go ahead and do that now. So this is what the form looks like where we build it so that you can actually see all the questions that we are asking. Okay, so the questions that we're asking here is very simple. So first we ask them when the accident occurred. After I show you all the questions here, I'm going to show you which of these questions we disqualify. Okay, so when did the accident occur? Who was involved in the accident? Meaning, was it only them, or were there other cars that were involved? Was it with a truck or a ride share or something like this? We asked them if they were at fault. we asked them if they required medical help. So did they go to the emergency room? Did they go to urgent care? Did they see a doctor? Or did they not receive any help at all, actually? And then, of course, we have to ask them if they were represented by an attorney, right? And then after that, of course, we collect all the information like the date of the accident, the phone number, the name, and all of this. And finally, we end with asking them to actually describe the injury that they sustained, as well as describing the accident. So that from this, your intake team can already see if this is going to be worth their time or not, or they can actually rank the leads, right, in terms of importance. So now that I've shown you that, let me show you what we actually disqualify them on. So these are the disqualifying criteria right here. So first thing, if the accident is over 6 months, we disqualify that. If they say that they were at fault, we disqualify them. If they say they were not injured, we disqualify them. If they already have an attorney, we disqualify them. If the accident was only them by themselves, then we disqualify them. And then if they didn't receive any kind of medical treatment, we disqualify them. Okay, so because of that, if you actually look at the back end here where we've been generating some leads, as you will see here on this column, majority of the leads that come through here get disqualified. So which means that they never actually get sent to the intake team at all. Okay, they are disqualified immediately because we are very rigorous. We want to make sure that the leads that get sent are very, very likely to actually turn into signed cases. We're not here to waste time. Okay, so this is the process. Okay, so let's talk about the fee of the program here. So first of all, there is no monthly retainer, there is no setup fee, and obviously there is no percentage of legal fees because that would be illegal. Okay, the only thing that we do have is a performance only fixed marketing fee that is paid to us only when a lead turns into a signed case. Okay, so let's actually break down of how that works. Okay, let's do a breakdown here. So what we do is that when a firm decides that they want to work with us, we typically implement a 5-day trial. During the trial, the firm will spend $1,000 on Facebook ads. And when we're spending this money on Facebook ads over the course of this 5 days, when any of these leads actually turn into a signed case during the trial, a fixed fee of $500 will be paid to us per lead that signs into a case. Okay, so it's 100% tied to the performance of the campaign. Okay, and once the trial is over and you decide that you wish to actually work with us long term, then the same pricing model will continue in that we will charge $500 for each lead that turns into a case. But the only thing that then changes is that you can decide what the monthly budget will be that you will spend on Facebook, whether that's 10,000 per month, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000. It's entirely up to you and what your budget is at that point. Okay, so I hope that makes sense, but I'm sure that at this point that you probably have some questions. So please feel free to go ahead and book a call with me. And I just want to end the video here by making it clear once again that the fixed marketing fee is just that. It's a marketing fee. It's not a referral fee. It's not a fee split. It's not tied to any settlement value or legal fees. Okay, so yeah, thank you for taking the time and I look forward to talking to you soon.